In this video, let's see how to create a progress bar in Notion. Firstly, create a table with the desired items you want to measure the progress of. Click on plus Add Property to add a new property to the table. Select Number from the Property Type options. Click on plus Add Property again to add another property. Select Number from the Property Type options once more. Next, rename the columns and fill in your desired values. Click on Add Property to create the progress bar column. Select Formula from the dropdown. Click on the Formula property to configure it. In the table, click on Edit Property. Select Edit Formula. In the Formula Editor, enter this formula: start or current value, divided by final or target value multiplied by 100. Click Save to apply the formula changes. Select the bar option under the Show As section of the drop-down menu.